The 2009 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, airbags, alloy wheels, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, cruise control, universal garage door opener, heated driver's seat, backup camera, passenger airbag. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.